Try these questions from one CXC, CSEC multiple choice mathematics examination. Remember, calculators are not allowed in this exam. To get the most out of this video, pause it here and resume when you have an answer for each question. Okay, let's go. Question 46. The relationship that best describes the mapping in the diagram is many to 1. The answer is C. X is such that x is greater than -2 but less than or equal to 4. A line graph will run from -2 to 4. It will not include -2, which means that the circle at -2 will not be shaded, but it will include 4. So the circle at 4 will be shaded. The answer is D. Question 48. The maximum point of the curve y is equal to 4x minus x squared. The maximum point is here. This point is 2, 4. The answer is B. Question 49. We're looking for where the curve intersects y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0 is the x-axis. So where the curve intersects the x-axis is at the point where x is equal to 4 and x is equal to 0. The answer is A. This mapping diagram sees 0 mapped onto 1, 1 mapped onto 2, 2 mapped onto 4, and 3 mapped onto 8. Is it f of x such that x is mapped onto x plus 2? If that was the case, then f of 0 would give 0 plus 2, which is equal to 2. 0 is mapped onto 1 and not 2, so A is not the answer. Is it B? F of x such that x is mapped onto x plus 1? If that was the case, then f of 0 would be mapped onto 0 plus 1, which is equal to 1. That is so. And f of 1 would be mapped onto 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. 1 is mapped onto 2, so that's correct. F of 2 would be mapped onto 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. F of 2 is not mapped onto 3, it's mapped onto 4. So B is not correct. Is it C? Is f of x such that x is mapped onto 2 to the power of x? If this is so, then f of 0 would be mapped onto 2 to the power of 0, which is equal to 1. 0 is mapped onto 1. F of 1 would be mapped onto 2 to the first power. 2 to the first power is equal to 2. F of 1 is mapped onto 2. F of 2 would be mapped onto 2 squared, which is equal to 4. 2 is mapped onto 4. And f of 3 would be mapped onto 2 to the third power, which is equal to 8. 3 is mapped onto 8, so C is the answer. Question 51. Which of the following sets is represented by the function f of x is equal to x squared plus 3, where x takes values 0, 1, 2, and 3. Right, the function is f of x is equal to x squared plus 3. F of 0 is equal to 0 squared plus 3. 0 squared is equal to 0 plus 3 is equal to 3. So 1 point would be 0, 3. All 4 answers have 0, 3. F of 1 is equal to 1 squared plus 3. 1 squared is equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So 1, 4 is also our xy pair. So the answer is either A or C. F of 2 is equal to 2 squared plus 3. 2 squared is 4. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So 2, 7 is also an xy pair. 2, 7. So the answer is A. I am Mr. Dube. Post a comment. Let me know how you are managing. If you found this video useful, please like this video. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. Join me in the next video.